We got the Sacred, and then I got some Shape Tape because it was 45% off. Like, I don't know what that was about, but hey, I love me a good deal. So we're about to go wash this hair and do some content for the clock app. Y'all see that skin? Be sure to watch my skincare routine. Point blank period. Oh, so we about to get some Sacred. Ooh. Beyonce, girl, this stuff is expensive. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna get some detoxifying shampoo and detangling spray. So we're gonna get these two, $28 and $39. Lord have mercy, Beyonce. Girl, for real. I just can't believe he got a baddie. I mean, because she is pretty, you know. She is really pretty, but that attitude is nasty. Like, he seems like a good friend type of person. Yeah. But obviously, if I was here to see him, I would have circled around him, so it's just too easy. And I wouldn't like that, though. Oh, yeah. Me either. Be able to fuck with it. He is a walking turn off. Like, yuck. But she knew what she was doing. Just like Lisa Nicole. She, like, Darren kept cheating. You wanted to fight people and stuff, and this and the third. Girl. And they're like, well, what about the third time he cheated? What about the fourth time he cheated? But you want to fight everybody but the man. Oh, you set a stripper up to come up to me and say that she knew my husband. No, I didn't. You don't think your husband would be in them strip clubs in Atlanta? He's a serial cheater, sweetheart. Counseling just don't stop that. That's a character flaw. All right. It's 2:12. I need to get up out of this house and go get this hair braided ASAP. And I need to eat. Lord have mercy. I'm combing through this deep conditioner real quick. And I still need to unpack my apartment. It's too much. I need two of me, honestly. So we're gonna do this. I'm about to blow dry this hair real quick. And then it's all this. What the heck? Oh, I'm like, what is that? I'm supposed to have 2 more patients. But yeah, I need to get that a little bit of his house. I'm about to rinse this out though, cause I don't have no deep. I'm not sitting under the dryer right now. So we finally got to the blow drying stage. It is 2:30. I'm playing right now. Let's hurry up and let's rock and roll. After many hours, we are finally on our way to the braiding salon. It's 3:30. I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. Like, I really don't. So we're gonna go there, get this braid down. They charging $60 for a braid down. New York is $40, but okay. I'm gonna put this wig on, and then we outside for a little bit before the snowstorm. I gotta stop and get some gas and get some cash because they cash only, of course. So it's kind of like Nadine's braiding salon. Y'all probably seen it all over TikTok. So yeah, y'all, it's still 0 degrees. The snow's supposed to hit like at midnight, I guess. Let me see. They saying you can't even trust the weather app anymore. Also, we are on the brink of civil war, World War III. Yeah. And honestly, I just need to know, one, so, you know, I can be boots on the ground. 2, I can stop paying my bills. Literally, stop paying. Because what are we really talking about? I can't believe I'm about to pump gas in this cold ass weather. Lord have mercy. Okay, we made it to the braiding shop. It's like almost 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top cruising the streets. So let's see how much they're gonna charge me. We gonna see. I'll tell you what. It's cold as I don't know what out here. Lord have mercy. I'm in here. Oh. Okay, got the braid down done. Looking like I'm about to go to somebody's prison. But there's the wig, well, they flat. Shout out to African Braiding Center in DC. That's where I get my braids done, period. I'm so sorry. It's very affordable. I've gotten what are they called, feed-in braids from them a couple times, and you just walk in, literally walk in. They only take walk-ins. They don't even take appointments. They just take walk-ins or whatever. Oh, so I got a ticket in DC. Yay. Oh, so all of us got a ticket. What I get a ticket for? Oh, there's no parking here right now. Oh shit. Oh well. So I got a funky ticket for $250 for parking on the emergency snow route. There's no snow, nor did I know it was an emergency, so I'm about to appeal this ticket. I'm not paying $250. They're gonna have to suck one. Big one. Not me. Like, what? And how am I supposed to know that it's a state of emergency? Y'all don't have no signs up, no nothing. I'm not from DC, and I'm gonna tell them that. My plates are from Georgia. Okay, let's see. What wig? So, woo! We gonna have to. Is this the right wig? Dirty Diana. Oh, Dirty Diana. I should have packed this better. Boom. I'm trying to rush. Dirty, y'all see this? Oh, I should leave it like this. Dirty Diana. Oh. Lord. Okay, yeah, this is the right wig. I'm like, is this the right wig? This is the wig I was wearing in Jamaica, y'all. But we just gonna make sure it don't slip tonight. We're gonna do a no glue. I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, we gotta get this going. This is crazy. Ooh, okay. Lord. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Y'all see how this hair flat irons? This is the 43 extensions. Literally. I do have a code for them. I can't remember it off the top of my head. Boom. Okay, boom. We about to be back to life. I should have did this when I washed the hair. Whew. Oh. Oh. Y'all watching me? I'm watching Married to Medicine. I'm on season 3, y'all. This show is off the chain. At Married to Medicine casting, if y'all are watching this, y'all should cast me. Your girl is a doctor of medical science, physician associate, working in aesthetic medicine, also building my own brand and platform. So y'all already know, make sure y'all head to DrIndiaAshe.com. That's Dr. INDIAASHE.com. It should be live by the time this video goes up. That's my announcement for the week. Y'all, having male friends, they're so unserious because they don't know what goes into being a woman, like, at all. Okay, boom, we getting somewhere with this. Somewhere fast. Oh, I should have combed this out a little bit. All right, so boom. Thank God. We brought the wig back to life. And I just did some wig tape, but we about to do this real quick beat. Nothing too crazy. And then head over to the snow party. Boom. Y'all got these new makeup brushes from Morphe. I'm really excited to use them. Come on. All right, so boom. Here go my new Morphe brushes. This is the Best of Blends. It was like $40 at Ulta. Ooh, I love new makeup brushes. Okay, let's see. What we got? Okay, we got a Dome foundation brush. Let's use that first. Just a powder. Foundation. Ooh, that is soft, y'all. Okay, boom. Ooh, I don't even want to mess up the brush. Ooh. 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 I forgot to arch up my brows. And I didn't know where, honestly, I gotta unpack this apartment. I didn't unpack a thing today. Nothing. A thing. Nada. Nunca. That's never, but you know what I mean. Okay, boom. Also, I got some new concealer. This is the Shape Tape from Tarte. It's 45% off, so why not? So I'm trying to hurry up because I need to eat too before I go out and meet my friends. Like, ladies, if you have guy friends, do your guy friends forget that y'all are women? Because I honestly feel like my guy friends forget that I'm a woman. Like, they be trying to feel, like, they be upset that I take longer than them. Like, bro, you don't have to do anything. Ooh, this is the concealer brush I've been waiting to use. Ooh, look how this going on, honey. Y'all, I'm still watching Marriage to Medicine in this bathroom. I don't know what I'm about to put on, but as long as the face is beat. I did not. Okay, that's better. Okay, boom. Also, do we? Oh, only thing I'm missing is a missus. You ain't even got to do the dishes. Okay, we're gonna put on our blush. This is my real quick makeup routine, y'all. This is from House Labs. Boom. Okay, which one is the Bronzer Cream and Liquid Blush 204? Wait, where's that? Okay, boom, here, girl. Love. Ooh, y'all, these brushes for $42. It was really I had a $3 coupon. Ooh, I got a little glue on my face. Let's try to get that off my face real quick, though. I don't know what. There gotta be some hair glue or something. Sure is. Oh, let me go check on my green beans that I'm cooking at the same time. Be right back. Green beans are fine. So we're gonna go in with our lighter concealer. I did my skin complexion concealer already. I'm gonna go in with, this is the Tan Deep Sand. One thing, I do like Shape Tape. They just don't have a lot of options for shades. Come on, y'all. It's 2016. What are y'all doing? Okay. Oh, I really like this brush, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. I see why it's been going viral. Okay, boom. Okay. All right. I don't know where my little bronzer stick is, so we just gonna make it. Okay. Boom. I don't want to do too much. Then I'll blend it out. It's not about the brush. It's about the makeup artist or enthusiast. You feel me? We're just gonna blend it out with the concealer brush. And I think I'm gonna wear some camo pants and some sneakers or something. I didn't get nothing done that I need to do today, and I might have to get some of these patients to schedule for tomorrow because I can't do this again tomorrow. Okay, boom. I'm gonna do a little powder. Boom. Okay. And one, okay, powder brush. Where's that at? Real quick. It's kind of big. I don't think this is meant for this, but boom. And then I don't have any of my like regular brushes out. See, this is boom. Wait, I feel like the girlies have forgot about, we've been on blush. We forgot to highlight. Baby, we still need to highlight. Boom. Okay, let's go get dressed. Getting ready to go to the gym. I got this on, that's why. Well, let's roll out. Alright, we about to get this workout in. My workout today is a light workout, so we're gonna do the rower machine, some upper body circuit, some core, and a cool down. Because this is really supposed to be my rest day, but I enjoy working out. So it's like, let me do something. So we are now on day, I don't know what, of unpacking my apartment. And I woke up yesterday. I don't know if I put it in my video yesterday. Hopefully my mom doesn't watch this video. I decided that I'm moving back to Atlanta. So probably like in the next 6 months or so, I'll be back in the A. So we're unpacking to pack it all back up again in a few months. I just went to the grocery store. I'm a little hungry already, even though I just ate breakfast. But we're about to get to this room, try to finish unpacking. We'll see how far we get. We're on our way to go get our nails done during this post-snowstorm, pre-next snowstorm. So we had thrown a wig and we on our way. Listen here, I forgot that I'm driving in a city where people don't typically drive in the snow. So they don't know snow driving etiquette at all whatsoever. And I'm trying not to get stuck or whatever. And this man is just sitting here. Are you gonna move? Are you staying there?
The destination is on your right.
Like, what's up? What are you
Arrived.
doing? Oh my God. These people are idiots. These people are dumb. Oh Lord. I'm about to park right here. What did it say? No parking where? What did it say? No parking. Emergency parking. Hours to 3 p.m. Days restricted. Hours restricted. Hey, I feel like they're not even out here right now because of the snow. All right, let's rock and roll. I forgot I am not in Buffalo, and these people do not know how to drive. I'm like, how you expect us both to come down the road? You're in a truck. I'm in a car. You have more leverage than me when it comes to driving through the snow and these snowbanks. I don't even know why I brought cinnamon out here and lost my mind. But let's go see my girl Cherry. Hopefully Sully's here. Whew. They got a new, I almost said new restaurant, new nail salon. Oh, it's cute in here. Oh, this is cute. Okay, perfect. It's cute in here. Let me show y'all the nail salon. This is Lucky Nails in DC. Oh, I always get a French tip and nothing new. Okay, we keep it the same. I look like a deer in headlights without my lashes. But yeah, me and my friend were just talking about, she's moving to Atlanta to my neighbor / friend. That's my sis, my big sis. But she's moving from DC to Atlanta. She's been in DC for about 20 something years, she said. 23 years, 28 years, something like that. But it's time for her to go. And I was like, yeah, it's time for me to rock and roll up out of here. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Thank you. Oh, this is good. Let me see what I'm about to turn on. Y'all, I can't believe I'm about to move back to Atlanta. I'm actually really excited about this move, even though we'll see. I'm trying to see if this man emailed me back, because I gotta find either a remote job or a job in Atlanta. We gonna see though. We made it to the pedicure. Watching some Netflix. Got my wine. This is the soft life. You feel me? Oh, the chair goes back. Huh. Oh, thank you. The camera. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out how I'll get my chair. They done upgraded these chairs. Okay. I like this.
You come here often?
Well, I used to go to the one that was around the corner. Then everybody moved over here like a few weeks ago, right? I used to go to NYE, but they all came over here.
You know, I just googled nearest nail salon. I don't think I went to get my nails and my toes done in like 2 years. And I was like, this shit, I'm really going to
Take it, yeah.
Yeah, like, I be doing everything for my kids. So I was like,
You gotta do something for you. You gotta take care of yourself.
Yeah, so I did my hair the other day. And then I was like, okay, that's cute, but my nails and my toes are done.
Yeah.
Okay, then after that, I need to go get some more clothes.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So I come here all the time. This is the only place I come to for my nails and my toes. But it's all the same staff. I think this is just a new building.
I like the vibe here.
Yeah.
The seriously. They offer better stuff.
Yep. This is my first time at this location. Last time I came, they were at the. They just.
That's another reason I was like, let me check it out.
Yeah.
20% off.
Yeah, it's all the same stuff. So I was like, oh, everybody came over here. I should have. Yeah. This feels so good. And go see the Frenchies. Okay, y'all, we are all done. Y'all know I keep the Frenchies on deck. That's as much free toes that y'all getting, you little nasties. About to go home, unpack, make some dinner, go to bed. I don't think Simpson can get through this snow again. I really tried it today, and I'm just praying that I get home safely because now it's dark outside. Lord, and I really want to talk about how nail appointments, they're relaxing, but it just takes so long. Like, I wish I could drop my hands and my feet off at the nail salon, for real. But I don't think Simpson is going to make it tomorrow. But we about to I was going to take a little nappy nap, but it's already 6 o'clock. Ain't no place to take no nap or whatever. But if you're in DC, make sure you come see my girl Cherry at Lucky Nail Salon. Cherry and Sully at Lucky Nail Salon on 18th Street. They gonna get you right, I promise you. Yeah, see. Listen, perfect, okay? Alright, let's roll up out of here. DC, y'all know y'all wrong for these streets, man. Like, one thing, Buffalo would never play like this with these streets. This is crazy. Well, I'm just happy I ain't get told. Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm about to make some, what is that called? Short rib for dinner. Some short ribs, some potatoes, and some carrots for dinner. Or whatever. Actually, I'm about to call my sis, Deja. I gotta give her an update on something. And then I'm gonna just unpack. Look, I'm speaking it into existence. Unpack a little bit or a lot of it instead of taking a nap. Oh, thank God I ain't getting no ticket. And also thank God for being able to warm up my car from my phone. Or start my car from my phone. Oh, I got ice in my boot. Lord. Okay, let's rock and roll. Okay, so we are home. I'm gonna make some short rib. It's already pre-cooked. It's from Trader Joe's. And y'all, let me tell y'all. If you're sleeping on Trader Jose's, then I don't know what to tell you. But Trader Jose's be having a heat. You feel me? I forgot to turn on the oven. So, yeah. We're gonna make this. I'm gonna roast some carrots. We're gonna see if I like the roasted. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna like them, because I don't really like cooked carrots, but I also haven't had them in a long time, and it's usually like when they're boiled. So we're gonna try it, and if I don't like it, we're just not gonna eat it. You feel me? So this is what it looks like. Like, it's literally tenderness, and the bones done fell out already. Literally. So Boom. And this is like $12.99 a pound. So it comes out to like, it comes with like 2 of these in there. So it's like $30 something. But it's a lot. It's a lot. So boom, we got that. Oven is preheating. I'm gonna make these potatoes real quick. Also from Trader Jose. Listen, y'all, I live alone. I don't have any kids. I'm not making stuff from scratch like that at all. So let me show y'all the potatoes. They're seasonal from Trader Jose's, which I wish they weren't. Let's see. Boom, here go the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna make enough for today and tomorrow because I know I'm gonna eat these short ribs for 2 days. I'm gonna show y'all how they come out. This is how it looks. And then they just melt down and they taste really good and you can season them to your liking. Literally. And then I want to add some heavy whipping cream to that. Some heavy whipping cream. That's going to cook way faster than the short ribs, but we're just going to let it, boom, chefing with India, period. And then last but not least are the roasted carrots. Now, I've never roasted carrots before. Again, I usually don't like cooked carrots, but they're usually boiled, you know, boiled in some form or fashion. So we're going to try it out. We're going to do 3 of them. I'm going to season them with like some honey, little sweet seasoning. We're going to see how it turns out, and I'll let y'all know. Okay, so I found this little recipe on TikTok. It calls for butter, a little bit of brown sugar, like I think salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I might add like a little spicy honey to it too, just to make it my own. This is for the carrots, so we want to see how this turns out. So what is this? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what what are these short ribs look like. Y'all see that? Look at that. Boom. That's tendonism. You see that? When I finally like another man to cook for them, I'ma act like I made these from scratch. But I don't be liking men enough to cook for them, so. Ooh! I burnt myself, Lord. Okay, so let's see how these roasted carrots taste. So now for the moment of truth of a roasted carrot. The flavor is good. It's the texture that gets me. I'm gonna eat them, but I don't know if I'm gonna make them again because cooked carrots, I'm like, well, maybe it was a thing from when I was a kid because I didn't used to like Brussels sprouts when I was a kid. And now I like Brussels. Like maybe, but I feel like I was thinking like maybe if I broil them, it can make them crunchy, but that might burn them. So we're just gonna leave them as is. But that is my dinner for tonight. I'm about to relax, sleep on my couch because my bed is still not put together, and I don't know what my job is doing, but I don't think I could drive my car again tomorrow. So good night, y'all.